Off, meanings, uses, and common expressions. Today we're focusing on the word off, a short but powerful word in English. It can show direction, separation, disconnection, and is part of many everyday expressions. Let's explore its main uses and meanings with real examples.
Que no está encendido o funcionando.
When something is not operating or is deactivated, please turn off the lights before leaving. My phone is off. The TV is off.
Alejarse o no estar sobre algo.
Moving away or separated from something. The cat jumped off the roof. He fell off the ladder. He fell off the bike. Take your feet off the table.
No estar trabajando o estar ausente.
When someone is not working or when something is not functioning. I'm off today, it's my day off. She's off sick. He's off on holiday. The printer is off right now.
Algo no está bien. Hay algo raro o fuera de lo normal.
Something feels wrong, strange, or unusual. There's something off about him. He seems friendly, but there's something off about him. I don't fully trust him. The mood is a bit off today. Usually everyone is joking during lunch, but today the mood is a bit off. Maybe something happened.
Comida o bebida que está en mal estado.
Used to describe food that is no longer good to eat. I think this milk is off. This meat smells off.
Algo que sucederá dentro de mucho tiempo.
Something that will happen in the future. The wedding is still a few months off. Summer is still a long way off. The event is still a few months off.
Indica un descuento en el precio.
Refers to a discount in price. All shoes are 20% off today. 20% off all items. They took $10 off the price. This coat was 50% off.
Separado o desconectado de algo.
Disconnected, away from something. Cut off the ends. He drove off without saying goodbye. She broke off a piece of chocolate. Dejar de consumir o hacer algo. To stop consuming or doing something. I'm off caffeine for a while. The doctor said I can go off the medication now. He's trying to get off sugar. Common expressions with off. Take off, remove or leave the ground, clothing or flight. Take off your shoes. Take off your jacket. He took off his t-shirt. The plane took off at 8 a.m. Better off. You're better off without him. We'd be better off taking the train. Go off, explode, make a noise, or stop liking. The bomb went off. The alarm went off at 6. I've gone off that band, lost interest. Put off, postpone or discourage. We had to put off the meeting. The smell really put me off my food. Be off to leave. I'm off now. See you tomorrow. Call off, cancel. They called off the match due to rain. They called off the wedding. Cut off, disconnect or isolate. They cut off the electricity. He was cut off from his family. Break off, end something suddenly. They broke off their engagement. Show off, brag or try to impress. He loves to show off his new car. Frases adicionales comunes. Take a day off. Off limits. This area is off limits to the public. Off the record. Can I tell you something off the record? Off duty. The officer was off duty when the incident happened. Off balance. The sudden push threw him off balance. Off course. The plane went off course due to bad weather. Off puede parecer una palabra simple, pero tiene muchos usos importantes y comunes. Desde describir algo apagado o lejano hasta formar parte de expresiones muy habituales, es una palabra esencial en el inglés cotidiano.